You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name. Well, the meaning of this abbreviation. What does RPM stand for? It essentially means revolutions, meaning an object rotating around another one, like the revolution of the sun around the earth, not an actual political revolution. Revolutions per minute, meaning how many times an object turns around itself. So that's used in engines, for example, of cars and other vehicles. But also a washing machine may have on RPM a number of revolutions per minute, the number of times it spins around its axle. Revolutions per minute is what RPM stands for. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.